Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thanks for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your speakers in a Dell Chromebook 3100 laptop computer. So first thing guys, shut the computer off, make sure it's powered down correctly and unplugged from your charger. We're going to then flip it over to access our screws. You have these two up here in this corner, one down in the corner here, and this one near the middle. Other side is the same, two up top, one down in the corner, one near the middle. And lastly, you have this one near the middle on top. Once you get all those screws done, guys, use a small flat pry tool and go around this seam right on the edge and remove this bottom case. Little by little, all the way around. After you get that bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, usually before I touch anything inside a computer, guys, I always unplug or remove the battery first. We want as little power running through here as possible so we don't damage anything. So the first thing I would do would be to unplug or remove this battery. You can unplug it right here, is where the battery plugs into the motherboard. There's a black pull tab here. You can just grab that tab and pull down toward the battery and it will unplug. If you want to fully remove the battery, there's a screw here near the top right, here near the bottom right, and here near the bottom left corner. That will remove the battery. And then there's just this little piece of tape here, this black piece of tape that's stuck to the battery. After that, the battery will come out. This is your right speaker. This is your left speaker. They're connected to each other by black and red wires running down here underneath your touchpad. And they're plugged into the motherboard right here by the white, blue, red, and black wires right here. So just like the battery plug, we're not going to grab the wires and pull. That's a bad way to unplug anything. We want to go at this white plug right there. You'll notice on your computer, guys, there's a grip on either side. You can put your fingernails in either one of those and pull it out. You can use a pry tool or a pair of pliers, but that's how you would unplug it from your motherboard. And there's no screws holding these speakers in. They're just placed in here. You can just pull these up right out of the computer after the wires are taken care of. Okay guys, so that's the video. I hope it was helpful in getting into your computer and finding the component you were looking for. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. I do try to keep those updated over time. If you do need to leave me a question, feel free. I try to answer those at least a couple times a day. Please remember to like and share if this video was helpful, if you think it could help someone else, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy little quick tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.